Hello everyone and welcome to the Library Kitchen here at the Gloucester County Public Library, and today we're making a library quick bite. So have you ever been running late for work and you said, I'll just get something at Starbucks, and you go there and you get your coffee and then you get one of these little egg bites. It comes two to a package for about $4 or $5. Well, I've re-engineered these egg bites and it takes minutes to make in an air fryer and a blender. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. To make our egg bites, we're going to need a few ingredients. First, we need a blender. Now, I've got one of these NutriBullets, but you can use your standard blender at home. And so for that, you're going to take your blender container and 4 eggs. Into the container it goes. You're now going to put in 2 cups of shredded cheese. The cheese, whatever kind of cheese you like, just as long as it's shredded. So 2 cups of shredded cheese. Sometimes it's messy, it goes all over. To that, we're going to add a half a cup of 2% cottage cheese. And a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And a tablespoon of bacon bits. Put the blender top on and blend for 20 seconds. So it's been about 20 seconds and our egg mixture is well blended. And we are now going to pour this into a few muffin molds. And then we're going to pop this in the air fryer at 360 for 5 to 7 minutes. These are going to be great. You're going to pour your egg mixture into a Pyrex container so that you can fill your muffin tins about 3/4 of the way full. Now this should make about 6 egg cups. And I like to use the little silicone liners because it's just easier for cleanup. Now if you like, there is a little bacon in this with the cheese, but if you'd like to add a little something extra on the top, I have some pre-cooked sausage and bacon here, and you can just sprinkle it on the top of your egg cup. It's perfect. And this is a great recipe when you're short on time and running late for work, that you can pop these from the refrigerator into the microwave and warm up if you don't plan on eating all of them at one time. So into the air fryer, 360 for 5 to 7 minutes. So it's been about 6 minutes and I think our egg bites are ready. So here they are. So instead of going to Starbucks and paying $3.50 for 2 egg bites, we've got 4 egg bites here in the library kitchen. And I like using the little silicone cups because they're easy to take in and out of the air fryer. They have little tabs on the side of them. I'll set those out. Let me get this out of our way. Now our egg cups have some bacon, some sausage, some cheese, and eggs. Perfect for breakfast on the go. And these egg cups pop out of their muffin tins with these silicone cups really easy. So I'll show you. So they just pop right out of the egg cups. These are like little mini egg soufflés. Now if you let these cool for just a few minutes, it'll be easy to handle, and they're perfect for on the go in the car with a little cup of coffee. So it's been about a few minutes and our egg bites should be cool enough to eat. And so these are perfect for on the go. Eggs, cheese, bacon, it's perfect. Perfect little egg cups. so good, so quick. It's perfect. Thank you for tuning in to the Library Kitchen. Please like and subscribe to the Gloucester County YouTube channel so that you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Bye-bye.